It's because I've seen some people that I looked at were strong, but they weren't strong enough to talk about it. And I was like, bro, that's probably the one thing that we don't do, but it could be the one thing that saves us. I always wanted the world to change, but then I realized that I had to change myself. And it's kind of like that Michael Jackson song when he was like, you got to look in the man in the mirror. And I'm like, that's facts, bro. Because like, if you some people try to change the world so bad that it ends up changing them. So then when they see this woman trying to do her thing, then they project it too, because hurt people, right? A scribe said this. He said, when one makes it, we all make it. When one's doing well, we're all doing well. Where was my mind flowing? I might just take the mic back for a minute. Yeah, I'm tapping right into the spirit. And you might hear it. You might chicka like Eric. Yeah, shout out to that guy. Shout out to the whole scene. And shout out to everybody at NAV. Yeah, that's Nams.